Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Crafter. This vehicle has done just under 64,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our stove and sink. Next up, we have our double bed with lots of storage above, making this camper 2-berth, 2 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and our headlights. To the left of our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have sound, our car and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC